these two sisters have been brotherly breeding on some virtual eggs over the past week. Sometimes they will come out for some food or a drink or to take a shit, but then they both go back onto this pillow. They are kind of determined to breed in pairs or brood in pairs. It's kind of cute. At some point there was a third hen that actually lay an egg on top of these two. That was quite remarkable. The egg tasted fine. Although, well, I don't have any eggs for them where they can do their brooding on, because I got rid of all of the roosters last winter. Well, you guys keep it up for a few more weeks, and then I suggest you go play outside, because it is getting a bit warm. They are rather docile now that they are brooding. Come up, nice and cuddly, next to each other. Look pretty for the picture. I think they must be identical twins, because I cannot keep them apart. Come on, it's way too hot to go sit on top of each other. So, should I fluff you guys up?